Hello students, welcome class 4 to your e-learning computer class. Previous class we have completed question answer. Chapter number 6, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 question answer. Answer type question answer. Short answer type question. Previous class I discussed. I hope you all have written. You all have watched the video. Today I want to start a new chapter. Chapter number 6 completed. Today I want to start a new chapter. Chapter number 7. Go with logo. Go with logo. You all please logo. What is logo? Logo is a, do you know the full form of logo? Logic oriented, graphic oriented. It's a logic oriented, graphic oriented. It is a language. It is a logo is a language. Logo, what is logo? Logo is a language. It is used to draw some basic shapes and we can calculate, we can and perform arithmetic calculation. Logo is a language which is used to draw basic shapes and perform arithmetic calculation. And the full form of logo is logic oriented, graphic oriented. L for logic, O for oriented, G for graphic, O for oriented. Logic oriented, graphic oriented. Okay, so you all please take out your book, open page number 89 and follow me carefully. Okay, hi Priya, can you help me do some calculations? Sure Rahul, do you know we can do some calculation on the computer as well? Oh really? How come? MSW logo. MSW logo is used to solve sums. Let me tell you about it. Let me tell it about it. What I already discussed. What is logo? Logo is a language. Logo is a language. Using the logo, using this language, we can draw some basic shapes and perform arithmetic calculation. And what is the full form of logo? Logic oriented, graphic oriented. Okay, it can be used to draw pictures, to do calculation and to print text. And print text, logo used a triangular shaped turtle that moves on the computer screen. Now later on I will discuss. This is a computer on the screen. First we have to know how to start logo. Logo is a program, it is a language. So starting logo, how to start logo? And logo uses a triangular shaped turtle that moves on the computer screen. This is turtle, triangular shape. It moves on the screen. Okay, and we use different commands to move the turtle on the screen. Using the commands we can move the turtle. Using the command, so we should know which command we use for which purpose. So okay, that moves on the computer screen. We use different commands to move the turtle on the screen and to draw different figures. These commands are called primitives. Which command we use to draw picture on the screen? These commands are called primitives. These commands are called primitives. Okay, how to starting logo? Click on the start button. If you want to start logo, first if you want to open the logo, first you have to click on the start button. In under of the start button, there click on the Microsoft Windows logo. There is an option Microsoft Windows logo. You just click on the Microsoft Windows logo and then select Microsoft Windows logo. In click on when you click over there Microsoft Windows logo, and there another menu will appear. From there you just select Microsoft Windows logo, and from there you just select the Microsoft Windows logo. Okay, and when you click the Microsoft Windows logo full screen, you can see this type of window will open. After opening MSW logo program, the following screen will appear. When you click on the Microsoft Windows logo, when you click, you can see this type of window will open in your machine. This is called the logo screen. This is called the logo screen, starting screen of MSW logo. This is the starting screen of MSW logo. Now this is called, here is written MS logo screen. First top of the screen, this is called the title bar. When you save something we can see that this is called the this name here. So this is title bar. Okay, and this after this there is a file, bitmap, shade, zoom, view. These are menu bar. This is called menu bar. Okay, this is called menu bar. There are all the menus are there: file menu, bitmap menu, set menu, zoom menu, view menu. These all are menus. This is called menu bar. And this white area, it is called the main screen. This is called main screen. And this one is called turtle. This is called turtle. This is called turtle. Okay, and this is called recall. This is called the recall bar. This is recall bar. I will discuss all this. And this is called the input box. This is called input box. Okay, and these are called command buttons. These are called command button. These are called command buttons. Okay, so here you all can see this is top of the screen. This is called the title bar. After the title bar, these are menu bar. All the menus are there, and inside this is called the main screen. Whatever you will write the primitive, you can see you input box, you have to write the command, and after pressing the enter or execute button, you can see that one you can see in the recall bar. Okay, and this is the main screen and turtle. Using when we write the command on that respect, the turtle will move on the screen, and these all are halt, trace, pause, status, sleep, reshape, execute, and idle. These all are the command button. These are called the command button. The logo screen is mainly divided into two parts. Logo screen, it's divided into two parts. This is one part and this is the another part. These two parts, logo screen, are divided into two parts. This one is the main screen and another one is commander window. This is called the commander window. This portion is called the commander window, and this is called the main screen. Main screen and commander window. Commander window is again divided into the command input box and the recall list box, and the commander window is also divided into two parts. One is the recall bar, one is the recall list box, and another one is input box. Recall list box, and this is called the recall list box, and this one is called input box. So that the logo main screen is divided into two parts. One is the main screen, another one is commander window, and the commander window is divided into two parts. One is the recall list box and this one is input box. Okay, now in the commander window, there are a few buttons present on the right side. In the commander window, you can see the few buttons are present in the right side. These are the button: halt, trace, pause, status, sleep, reset, execute, idle. These are called button. Okay. Few buttons present on the right side. These buttons are called control buttons. These buttons are called control buttons. Okay. First I will discuss halt. First one, this is the halt. HALT, halt. This button is used to stop logo from processing further. Halt button we use to stop processing further. This button is used to stop logo from processing further. Halt. This button we used. Next is pause. After halt down there is pause. Pause. This button is used. It stopped the program execution temporarily. Is pause this stop the program execution temporarily. For temporarily, if you if you want to pause the, if you want to stop the program, we have to use pause and then step, and then next one is step. Then is step, it remove step. This one is used to remove errors one step at a time. This step is step button. After the pause there is a step. This button is used to remove. This step button is used to remove error one step at a time. Remove error one step at a time. Okay, and then execute. This is the execute button. Execute button is used to run or execute the command. Execute button is used to run or execute the command. Which command you have written over here? You can press the enter key or you can click on the execute button to run the command. Okay, and now next is trace. Now trace. This button is used to trace error so that this error can be removed from the program. Trace is used to trace error so that this error can be removed from the program. And status button. Status, next the trace, there is a status button. Status button, it displays the status of the current setting in logo. In status button is, it displays the status of the current setting of logo. And the next one is reset. Reset, it is used to clear. Reset button is used to clear the logo main screen. This is called the logo's main screen. Whatever you have drawn over here, if you want to erase this logo main screen, you have to click on the reset. If you click on the reset, it is used to clear the logo's main screen and bring the turtle back to is the home position. Center of the screen, this is the home position of the turtle. It clear wherever this turtle is there, whatever picture you have drawn over here, it will clear, and the pointer, that means the turtle will bring to the home position. Home position means center of the screen. Okay, and next class I will discuss the logo primitive. Logo commands. Okay, primitives, that means logo commands and the full form of this command. Okay, for today this much. See you next class. Thank you. Bye beta. Bye all of you. Have a nice day. And if you have computer in your home, you install logo and try to open this one and see the function of these buttons. Okay, bye beta.